Hello students, and today we will continue with partial fraction 1. Okay. Last time we started with partial fraction method. आता आपण partial fraction method केव्हा यूज करतो जेव्हा डिनॉमिनेटर लिनियर फॅक्टर्स मध्ये असतात तेव्हाच. When denominator is factorized into linear factors, in that case we are going to use their partial fraction method. Okay, so consider question based on this partial fraction method only. See here, denominator contain linear factors. Okay, and so in this case we consider integrand separately, that is x square plus 2 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now three linear factors are there, so these three linear factors written in the form of a upon first factor plus b upon second plus c upon third factor. Find out LCM. Okay, LCM जो लेफ्ट हँड साइडला असतो तोच तुम्ही राइट हँड साइडला कन्सिडर करणार आहात. सो LCM इज x minus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, so a is multiplied with remaining two terms, that is a is multiplied with x plus 2 and x plus 3 plus b is multiplied with first and last term x minus 1 and x plus 3 plus c is multiplied with first two terms, that is x minus 1 and x plus 2. Left hand side as it is. Left hand side as it is. Now in this case denominator cancel on both sides and will equate numerator, and so x square plus 2 is equal to a times x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus b times x minus 1 into x plus 3 plus c times it is x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now with this equation, the last time तुम्हाला मी सांगितलं होतं या इक्वेशन वरून आपण फाइंड करणार आहोत a, b and c व्हॅल्यूज. ही स्टेप खूप महत्वाची आहे. कॉन्स्टंट प्रॉपरली तुम्हाला फाइंड करता यायला पाहिजे. ओके, सो फॉर दॅट a upon x minus 1 is there, so x minus 1 is equal to 0, so we substitute x is equal to 1 in the same equation. So this is 1 square plus 2 is equal to a into bracket 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3. Second and third term, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So second and third term is 0. So this is 3 is equal to a into bracket 3 into 4. 3 cancel. So we'll get a as 1 by 4. Okay. आता पुढे बघा. Second factor आहे x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So we substitute x is equal to minus 2 in the same equation. So this is minus 2 square plus 2. आता minus 2 असल्यामुळे ही first term 0 येते plus b into bracket minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 3. And third term is also 0 in this case. Okay. And so minus 2 square, that is 4 plus 2, it is 6. So b into bracket minus 3 and this is 1. So you are getting b as 6 upon minus 3. 6 upon minus 3. So b is equal to, in this case, minus 2. Now consider third factor. X plus 3 is there. Equate करा equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे इथे minus 3. So again we'll substitute x is equal to minus 3 in the same equation. So this is minus 3 square plus 2. First two terms 0 येतील बघा. c into bracket minus 3 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 2. So 9 plus 2 it is 11 is equal to c times this is minus 4 and minus 3 plus 2 it is minus 1. So we'll get c as 11 upon 4. या व्हॅल्यू चेक करा एकदा सगळ्यांनी. c is equal to 11 upon 4. Okay, and hence integration where this integrand in this case is x square plus 2 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is written in terms of addition form. That is a upon, a is 1 by 4, a upon first factor plus b upon, b is minus 2, b upon second factor plus c is 11 by 4 upon third factor. And now we'll find out integration value for this. Okay, we'll find out integration value for this. Now consider integration separately. Now in this case 1 upon 4 constant outside integration, minus 2 constant, it is outside integration, 11 by 4 constant, it is outside integration. Integration of 1 upon ax plus b is log of ax plus b divided by always coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 1. This is again log of x plus 2, and again it is log of x plus 3 plus some constant value c. So your final integration value. Okay, एकदा बघून घ्या सगळ्यांनी हा क्वेश्चन आणि त्यानंतर आपण पुढच्या क्वेश्चनला स्टार्ट करूया. See here, in the next question, if you consider this question, in this case, denominator is not in terms of linear form. लिनियर फॉर्म नाही आहे, हा क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म आहे. पण तुम्हाला एक गोष्ट इथे समजतीये, एक्स स्क्वेअरला जर तुम्ही सबस्टिट्यूशन केलं तर एक्स स्क्वेअरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे 2x. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इज 2x, which is present inside integration, and so this type is, first of all, this type is based on substitution method. Okay, तर पहिल्यांदा आपण हा क्वेश्चन सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथडने सॉल्व्ह करतोय. पुट x square is equal to t. If we substitute x square is equal to t, now we will differentiate this equation with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x is equal to dt by dx, and so 2x dx will get as dt. Okay, and so integration value where 2x dx is written as dt divided by, this is 2 plus t into 3 plus t is there. Now factors are linear, so we'll consider here partial fraction 1 method. Consider integrand separately. Integrand is 1 upon 2 plus t means t plus 2, and it is 3 plus t is t plus 3 only. Two linear factors are there, so this integrand is written in the form of a upon first factor plus b upon second factor. Okay, cross multiply, find out LCM. So this is a times t plus 3 plus b times t plus 2, the whole term divided by LCM. Left hand side as it is. Okay, left hand side as it is. Now denominator cancel, equate numerator. Numerator is 1 is equal to a times t plus 3 plus b times it is t plus 2. Okay, now with this equation पुढची स्टेप खूप महत्त्वाची आहे. आता ह्या इक्वेशन वरून तुम्हाला फाइंड करायचं आहे a and b value. Okay, with this equation only we'll find out here a and b value. So for that, see here, first factor is t plus 2. First factor is t plus 2. So t plus 2 is equal to 0. So we'll get t as minus 2. Okay. So we'll substitute t is equal to minus 2 in this equation. And so this is 1 is equal to a times, this is minus 2 plus 3 plus second term becomes 0. Okay. So this is 1 is equal to a into 3 minus 2, it is 1. So you are getting a is equal to 1. Okay. Now consider second factor. Second factor is t plus 3. So we substitute here t is equal to minus 3 in the same equation, and so this equation becomes 1 is equal to, first term will be 0 here, plus b times it is minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 3 plus 2, it is minus 1. So you get b is equal to minus 1. Now after finding out a and b values, this integrand 1 upon t plus 2 into t plus 3 is written as a upon first factor, b is minus 1, plus b upon second factor. And now we'll find out integration value for this. Okay, we'll find out integration value for this, and hence we'll consider integration value for 1 upon t plus 2 minus 1 upon t plus 3. Okay, integration of 1 upon t plus 2 is log of t plus 2 minus integration of 1 upon t plus 3 is log of t plus 3. Log a minus log b is log of a upon b plus c. And now in the final step, we substitute t as x square. Okay, we substitute t as x square. So this is log of x square plus 2 upon x square plus 3 plus some constant value c is there. This is your final integration value. Okay, एकदा बघून घ्या सगळ्यांनी. ठीक आहे. We'll start with the next question. Now again this question is based on substitution with partial fraction. आता बघा आपण इथे कन्सिडर करूया numerator, it is 2 raised to x dx. Okay, now consider denominator. 4 raised to x is 2 raised to x bracket square minus 3 times 2 raised to x minus 4. Okay, now we'll substitute for 2 raised to x as t, so that if you differentiate it, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. So derivative of 2 raised to x is 2 raised to x log 2 is equal to dt by dx. So that 2 raised to x dx is dt upon log 2. Okay, dt upon log 2. And so integration value is written as this is dt upon log 2 divided by this is t square minus 3t minus 4. Now in this case 1 upon log 2 constant with respect to t, so it is outside integration. Inside it is dt upon, this is a quadratic expression, find out factors for this. 4 ones are minus 4 plus 1. Okay, and now these factors are linear, so in this case we consider integrand separately. Okay, we consider in this case integrand separately. So consider 1 upon t minus 4 into t plus 1 separately. Okay, 2 linear factors are there, so we write these linear factors in the form of a upon first factor plus b upon second factor. Cross multiply, find out LCM. Cross multiply, find out LCM. Now denominator cancel. Okay, denominator cancel, equate numerator, and so we write this equation as 1 is equal to a times t plus 1 plus b times it is t minus 4. Now after that step is very important. Okay, ह्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला फाइंड करायचं आहे a आणि b ची व्हॅल्यू. सो कन्सिडर फर्स्ट फॅक्टर t minus 4 आहे, सो वी सबस्टिट्यूट t is equal to 4 in the same equation. t च्या जागी 4 सबस्टिट्यूट करा, सेकंड टर्म 0 येईल. 4 minus 4 it is 0. Okay, and so a will get as 1 upon 5. Next second factor आहे t plus 1, so we substitute t is equal to minus 1 in the same equation, and so this is 1 is equal to first term 0 येईल बघा, t च्या जागी टाका minus 1, so minus 1 and this is minus 4, this is minus 5, so b will get as minus 1 by 5. Okay, And so integration I is 1 upon log 2 into integration of. तर हा जो इंटिग्रँड आहे तुम्ही त्याला ह्या फॉर्म मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलेला आहे. a अपॉन इट इज फर्स्ट फॅक्टर प्लस b अपॉन इट इज second factor. Okay, so 1 upon log 2 outside, inside bracket, see here, inside bracket 1 upon 5 constant, it is outside integration. Here minus 1 upon 5 constant, it is outside integration. Okay, and so we'll get this value as 1 upon log 2 inside bracket 1 upon 5 times, this is log of t minus 4 minus 1 upon 5 times, this is log of t plus 1. Bracket complete. आता पुढे बघा काय करायचं. In the next step, if you consider in this case 1 upon log 2 common आहे, 1 upon 5 is also common. So inside bracket log of t minus 4 minus log of t plus 1. Log a minus log b is log of a upon b. Okay, and so finally we substitute t as 2 raised to x. This is 1 upon 5 log 2 into log of 2 raised to x minus 4 upon 2 raised to x plus 1 plus some constant value c. Okay, this is your final integration value.